POV in the Miata. Car is warm. I get it though, it's the Ave. We were recording the trenches at 12:30 a.m.
Why didn't play wedding? What happened?
That's tough. What? Oh shit. The Miata. I wonder who got this one. It's hard.
Tint though. Tint's dark.
I need to get tint like that.
Trying to fight.
Crazy boy. What's going on?
Does he have the dash cam footage?
Yeah, but that's not the same. It's not the 4K. 4K is just different. That's why you like you see a video with 4K and you know that's a good.
Yeah.
It's not a good video, but you know it's going.
The quality's really good.
Yeah.
Yo, I love that my Mac can play all 4K videos.
It's lit. Funny guy. Funny little nigga.
Oh, that's hard. I like that.
What? The
Black.
infant? This shit stock, Jordan.
Black bro.
This shit is Stockington. I thought it was like fireworks, like firecrackers or some shit. I heard like 6 or 7 shots. And I was just like, yo, what the fuck? Cause then I saw all the cops coming and shit. Bro, that same night, like 10 to 12 cops was banging on our door.
Whoa. Put that shit out?
Huh? Yeah. Trying to get footage, I guess. That's a Porsche? That's a bike.
Yeah.